so back after Pink as well. Lately, I think it's changing a little bit. Yes, but still, it's not like they'll be immediately.
Taapsee Pannu is an Indian actress who works in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, and Malayalam language films. She is one of the most sought-after actresses we have in South cinema today. Taapsee has several projects in her kitty and is very busy with her work commitments. And today in this video, we will talk about the upcoming movies of Taapsee Pannu. But before we start, it'd be nice if you subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our future videos. Okay, let's begin. The first one we have is Mission Impossible. Taapsee Pannu was last seen in Telugu cinema in the horror film Anando Brahma, which released in 2017. 4 years later, she returns with Mission Impossible, which will be directed by Swaroop RSJ, who made a mark with Agent Sai Srinivasa Athraya. In an interview, Taapsee stated that she was always on the lookout for stories that she would want to see as a viewer. Mission Impossible is one such film and has an impressive storyline. She wants to reaffirm the trust the audience has in her by choosing quality films. Number 2. Jan Gan Man. Reports have emerged in Kollywood that the most versatile actor in the Hindi film industry, Taapsee Pannu, will be seen in the film titled Jan Gan Man. The film will mark the debut of director Deepak Sundarajan, who is the son of veteran actor and director Sundarajan. Number 3. Rashmi Rocket. Rashmi Rocket is an upcoming Hindi language sports drama film directed by Akarsh Khurana and produced by Ronnie Screwvala. The film features Taapsee Pannu in the lead role, alongside Priyanshu Panuli and Abhishek Banerjee. The film will premiere on ZEE5 on October 15, 2021. The film is an attempt to throw light on this orthodox practice that ends up exploiting female athletes. However, dealing with a sensitive issue such as this requires a responsible approach and has its own sets of challenges. Number 4. Loop Lapeta. Loop Lapeta is an upcoming Hindi language movie directed by Akash Bhatia. The film features Taapsee Pannu and Tahir Raj Bhasin in the lead roles, and it is the official remake of German film Run Lola Run. It is scheduled to release on October 22, 2021. Number 5. Shabash Mithu. Shabash Mithu is an upcoming sports biopic based on the life of Indian women's cricket team captain Mithali Raj, with Taapsee Pannu in the lead role. The film was initially being directed by Rahul Dholakia, but is now under the direction of Srijit Mukherjee, and it is scheduled for release on 31st December 2021. Number 6. Blur. Blur is an upcoming Hindi language horror thriller film directed by Ajay Bahal and jointly produced by Zee Studios, Outsiders Films and Aklon Productions. The film features Taapsee Pannu and Gulshan Dewaya in the lead roles. It is the official Hindi remake of Spanish film Julia's Eyes. And this is also Taapsee Pannu's first project as a producer. In this film, a blind woman, Gayatri, prepares to hang herself in her basement but changes her mind. Number 7. Alien. Taapsee Pannu has already bagged some of the most interesting scripts, and now another interesting project is going her way. According to reports on E-Times, Taapsee will soon feature in a pan-India sci-fi film which is tentatively titled Alien. And the film will be directed by Bharat Neelkanthan, who made his film debut with thriller K13 in 2019. A source reveals more to E-Times saying it will be a sci-fi film that deals with aliens. In fact, its title will be Alien, but the story will be a totally fresh take on the genre. It won't have any influences of the Hollywood alien films that we have seen so far. Number 8. Dobara. Dobara is an upcoming Hindi movie which is directed by Anurag Kashyap and will feature Taapsee Pannu as the lead actress. Taapsee Pannu is reuniting with Pavel Gulati, who worked with her in the critically acclaimed film Thappad. So these are the upcoming movies of Taapsee Pannu. That's all in this video. Hit the like and subscribe buttons if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to check out some more fun content on our channel. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.